Mascara Mastery, Tips and Tricks for Natural Looking Mascara Application. Title: Mascara Mastery, Tips and Tricks for Natural Looking Mascara Application. Introduction. From runway shows to everyday beauty routines, mascara plays a vital role in creating a polished and put-together look. However, it's essential to master the art of mascara application to achieve a natural-looking result that enhances your lashes without appearing too heavy or clumpy. In this article, we will explore a variety of tips and tricks to help you achieve mascara mastery and create beautifully defined lashes that will make your eyes pop. 1. Choosing the right mascara. Selecting the right mascara for your needs is the first step toward achieving natural-looking results. Opt for a mascara formula that is specifically designed to provide length, volume, or both, deep. Depending on your preferences. Furthermore, consider the brush shape, as different brush types have different effects on the lashes. For a more natural look, choose a mascara with a tapered wand that allows you to reach every lash without clumping. 2. Preparation and curling. Before applying mascara, it's crucial to prepare your lashes adequately. Start by curling your lashes with an eyelash curler. This simple step lifts the lashes, making your eyes appear more open and awake. Hold the curler at the base of your lashes for a few seconds, then release gently. Remember to curl your lashes before applying mascara to avoid any damage or breakage to your lashes. 3. Wipe off excess mascara. To achieve a natural effect, it's vital to remove any excess mascara from the wand before application. Gently wipe the wand on the edge of the tube, ensuring that the bristles are evenly coated but not overloaded with product. This step helps prevent clumping and allows for more precise application. 4. Start from the base. Begin applying mascara by placing the wand at the base of your lashes, as close to the roots as possible. Wiggle the wand back and forth, working it through the lashes to distribute the product evenly. Why? This technique ensures that each lash is coated from the root to the tip, enhancing volume and length while maintaining a natural look. 5. Apply in thin layers. To achieve a more natural appearance, apply mascara in thin layers rather than applying one heavy coat. This technique not only prevents clumping but also creates a buildable effect, allowing you to add more coats if needed. Starting with a light application gives you better control over the overall look of your lashes. 6. Comb through lashes. After each coat of mascara, use a clean mascara wand or lash comb to separate and remove any clumps. This step helps create a more natural and defined look while preventing lashes from sticking taut. Either. Gently comb through your lashes from root to tip, ensuring that you remove any excess product and achieve well-separated lashes. 7. Focus on the outer corner. To create a more open and awake appearance, focus on applying more mascara to the outer corner of your lashes. This technique adds subtle drama to your eyes, making them look more lifted and elongate. 8. Lower lashes. Don't forget about your lower lashes. Applying mascara to your lower lashes can make a significant difference in framing your eyes. Use a smaller mascara wand or hold the brush vertically to coat each lower lash individually. Be careful not to apply too much product, as it can result in a heavy, unnatural look. 9. Waterproof or smudge-proof. Consider using a waterproof or smudge-proof mascara if you're looking for long-lasting wear. These formulas can resist sweat, oil, and moisture, preventing any smudging or running throughout the day. However, keep in mind that waterproof mascara can be more difficult to remove and may require the use of oil-based makeup removers. 10. Keep it fresh. Like any other beauty product, mascara has a shelf life. To ensure optimal performance, replace your mascara every 3 to 6 months. Old mascara can become clumpy, dry, and unhygienic, leading to a less than desirable application. Regularly replacing your mascara will ensure you achieve the best possible results. 11. Experiment with different formulas. While finding the right mascara formula is important, don't be afraid to experiment with different options to see which works best for you. Some formulas may provide more volume, while others offer lengthening properties. Trying out different formulas can help you determine which one gives you the most natural-looking results that you desire. 12. Use a primer. For an extra boost in achieving natural-looking mascara application, consider using a lash primer before applying mascara. A lash primer helps to condition and hydrate your lashes, creating a smooth base for the mascara to adhere to. It also enhances the mascara's effectiveness, making your lashes appear fuller and more defined. 13. Avoid pumping the wand. It's common for people to pump the mascara wand in and out of the tube multiple times to gather more product. However, this can introduce air into the tube, causing the mascara to dry out more quickly. Why? Instead, gently twist the wand inside the tube to coat it evenly without pumping. This ensures the longevity of your mascara and prevents it from becoming clumpy. 14. Use a magnifying mirror. When applying mascara, using a magnifying mirror can provide better visibility and precision. A magnifying mirror helps you see each individual lash, making it easier to apply mascara from root to T. And separate the lashes effectively. This attention to detail will contribute to a more natural-looking finish. 15. Take your time. Patience is key when it comes to achieving natural-looking mascara application. Rushing through the process can lead to clumping, smudging, or uneven application. Take your time and apply the mascara slowly and methodically, ensuring each lash is coated evenly. This will result in a more polished and natural-looking finish. 16. Avoid overloading the lower lashes. When applying mascara to your lower lashes, be mindful not to overload them with product. A light and natural coat is usually sufficient for the lower lashes to avoid a heavy or spidery look. Gently swipe the wand once or twice along the lower lashes, focusing on coating them evenly. 17. Use a tissue for cleanup. If you accidentally get mascara on your eyelid or under eye area, don't panic. Simply grab a clean tissue and gently dab the area. Avoid rubbing to prevent smearing the mascara further. The tissue will help absorb any excess mascara and fix any minor mistakes without disrupting the rest of your makeup. 18. Enhance/curl with heat. For those with stubbornly straight lashes, using heat to enhance your lash curl can make a significant difference in achieving a natural look. After curling your lashes with an eyelash curler, use a